How to increase volume of your laptop's speaker. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily increase the volumes of your laptop's speaker. So first thing, just head over to search bar and simply search in for control panel. Now just locate this option that is sound, so simply select it. So as you can see, I've located my sound option over here and just click on this option that is speaker or headphones, and once you locate that, make sure it's correct one and just click on its properties. So once inside your properties, just head over to the levels and make sure you have enabled it and it's not unmuted. So if it's unmuted, you can just tap on the speaker icon and make sure it's above 80, and you can also choose it for it to be 100 or just like that. And once you do all of that, just click on apply and click on OK. And similarly, you can also go to this advanced option and make sure it's on the studio quality of the highest bit. You can also go for 24 bit as well and just check the sound if you want, and just click on this spatial or sound option and just make sure it's on off and just click on OK, and just click on OK once again. So once you do all of that, just head over to this speaker icon at the bottom of your screen and make sure it's also not muted over there. And once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed successfully. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.